Today we are going to study the conventions for the SI unit. There are some conventions for the SI unit. First convention, unit of every physical quantity should be represented by its symbol. It should be its symbol. Like we are writing as 1 meter. We should write it like this, not like 1 meter. And here one, like here is 10 liter. So every physical quantities unit we have to write or represent by its symbol. Second, full name of a unit always starts with the smaller letter, even if the letter is after a person. Means if the unit, though a unit is named after a person, it shouldn't have start with a capital letter. If we write like this, like 1 Newton, it will be wrong. So we have to write is like this, 1 Newton. The first letter should always be small, even if it's named after a person. Second example is 1 joule. So we have to always write J small. Third rule, symbol for unit do not take plural form. Means if we are writing any unit, like here it is 20 Newton, so we have to write its symbol as 20 Newton and not 20 Newtons. If we write the symbol like this, it will be wrong. So always when we are always writing a symbol, it shouldn't be in plural form. Like here it's written as 20 Newton, so it will be correct. Next, symbol for unit do not contain any full stop at the end of recommended letter. If we are writing the unit of anything like 25 kgs, so we have to write 25 kgs like this and not like this. If we put full stop at the end, then our full answer will be wrong. So always we have to write it like this, like 25 kg, and we do not have to put full stop at the end of any symbol. Next, the fifth rule, the unit of physical quantities in numerator and denominator should be written as 1 ratio. Like see, if the unit of acceleration is meter per second square, we write meter per second square as like this or like this. But if we write meter per second like this, if we write, it will be wrong. So the unit means the numerator and the denominator should be in one. Take s upside and then we will get meter per second square. So if we write this like this, meter per second, then it will be wrong. So instead of like this, we have to write it meter per second square. Next, use of combination of units and symbols for units is avoided when physical quantities is expressed by the combination of two. Means like if we are writing joule per kilogram per Kelvin, here this is the unit of temperature, and it's called Kelvin. So if we write it like this, joule per kilogram per Kelvin, it's correct. And if we write it like this, joule means it's a letter, it's a word, and then two symbols. Like if we write it like this, it will be wrong. So always when we are writing a symbol, we should write it like this. The whole thing should be a symbol, not half word and half symbol. Next, a prefix symbol is used before symbol of unit. Means like see, if we are writing 1 millisecond, we can also write it as 10 raised to minus, here 1 kilogram means 10 raised to 3 grams. Means we can add any prefix. So like see, if it is 20 kilogram, we can write it as 20 into 10 raised to 3 gram. So like this also we can write. So it's the 10 raised to 3 here is the prefix. Next, space or hyphen must be introduced while in indicating multiplication of two units. So see, here meter per second is the unit of speed. We can write meters per second like this also, meter second raised to minus 1. And but while writing this, there should be a space in between them. If we write like this, meter second square, and if we do not give any space, then the unit will be wrong.